Imagine launching a viral ad campaign powered entirely by AI, featuring influencers who don't need sleep or contracts. This is the future of advertising, and today, we're diving into how to make your own AI-driven UGC ads with AI influencers. Step 1. Crafting your AI influencer. Think of this as your digital muse. You'll use AI platforms to design a unique, hyper-realistic avatar. This involves selecting features, defining personality traits, and even choosing their vocal style to ensure a natural, relatable presence. Next is story creation. AI can help generate compelling narratives for your ad feed. At your product or service details, your target audience, and desired messaging, and watch as it crafts persuasive scripts that resonate and capture attention. Step 3. Producing authentic-looking UGC. AI tools can then bring these stories to life by generating video content. This means creating dynamic visuals, placing your AI influencer in various realistic scenarios, and ensuring the footage looks like genuine user-generated content, complete with authentic interactions and a natural feel. Finally, it's time to leverage your AI-generated UGC. These persuasive ads can be seamlessly integrated into your marketing strategy across social media and other platforms, driving engagement and conversions with a fresh, AI-powered approach. With AI influencers and UGC ad creation, you're not just advertising. You're building a new era of authentic, persuasive, and scalable campaigns.